ice. Do you know it is really cold when you start cleaning the monkey cage this time of the morning and the water drops starts to ice. I've got small little ice drops over here, trying to show you guys. It's a bit difficult. Where is it now? I don't know why it doesn't want to zoom in, but believe me, it's little ice particles and it's freezing. My hands are in so much pain of this cold water. But yes, luckily the sun is coming out. Monkeys know better than to play in the cold, so they will be sitting in the sun or they be in the room under the electric blanket. So I'm just cleaning up after the dogs and I feel something cold in my neck. I look up and Chaka is sitting there playing with a piece of ice. I don't know where he got it, but he is enjoying that little piece. All the other ones as well, they've got a little piece. Chloe, she's taking a bath. Just look at how wet she is. These monkeys are not lacquer. I mean, it is freezing and they are playing with ice. My hands are stinging of the cold and they are just playing. If it wasn't for the sun on this side, I don't know what I would have done. Thank goodness it's out. Chaka, where did you get that ice, my baby? Isn't he just gorgeous? My little Elvis. Arnie, sitting at the fruit bowl as usual, having something to eat. He's just eating out all the apples because apples is his favorite, Mom. Yeah. MacGyver over there. Arnie, who's a big boy? Yep, another apple. So today is going to be Corndog Day. I'll show you a bit later. One of my besties, she is making it for the monkeys and I think they're really going to enjoy it. Who's ready for this very cold morning? Enzo. And as you can see, there's ice on the water bowls. Let's see if I can. It's too cold. I'm not gonna try it. But yes, they love this weather. Let's see where Diddy is. Okay, Diddy, he's still fast asleep in his headquarters over there. So yes, I'll be visiting them a bit later when they're both awake to see if they like the corn dogs. I hope so. And yes, let me get ready for the day. Lily over there playing with some ice. That's quite a big piece. I don't know where she got it. I think it's out of the gutters, I'm not sure, but she's got it. And actually all of them are playing with the ice. Baby, it's freezing, my nurse. Your hands are gonna get cold.
So the sun is out, it's a bit better, but Lily decided she's gonna dig out some ice. I don't know where she got it, and now they are playing with it. It's quite cold, so I don't know how they can actually handle it. I can't even handle the cold water cleaning the cages, but they are playing with the ice pieces. Chloe, is that sitting in there? Bella, where's your piece?
Okay, so Chloe is soaking wet. For some reason, she is enjoying taking a bath with ice. MacGyver just checking these bunch out, thinking they are crazy. But yes, monkeys are very unpredictable. Okay, so the room is clean for the third time today. Babies, they want to come in. Chaka is inside here because he was hiding in the closet when I closed up, so I didn't see him. So I just put him in here until we're done. So he's going back first. And then I'm going to give them their corn dogs. So, I've got a friend that does the best corn dogs ever. And I got the chicken Viennas that the monkeys absolutely love. And she made them in little corn dogs for me. So this is going to be the monkey treats for today. Mini corn dogs. Yes, there is a lot because I've got a lot of monkeys to feed down the street, and I'll also be taking some to one of my friends which also has a lot of monkeys, so it won't go to waste. I'll also see if Enzo and Diego wants one, but let's see. As you can hear, they saw the treats and now they're all super excited to get some. Kyk julle. Ooh, wat's die? Let's give them some. Lily. Ooh, that's a corn dog, my baby. Lily. Bella, that's yours. Chloe, that's yours. MacGyver. It's Chaka. Come, Chaka. Here you go, baby. Nice corn dogs. Let's see, do they love it? Yes, they do. Okay, typically little Bella playing more with the sticks than the corn dog. Annie, what's that, baby? Whoops, and there it goes. On the net. Let's see if I give him one with a stick. I say. I don't really think they know what's going on. I want them to inspect it by themselves. So I don't want to ruin the surprise. I think it might take them a bit longer. Bella, look at my baby. Come here. Come looky. I'm gonna break it so you can see. Ooh, what's inside? Oh yes, and also my friend, she makes the best bar one corn dogs. Guys, you should really try it. It is to die for. If you've got a sugar addiction like I do, it is awesome. Lily, you guys should eat it, not play with the sticks. Okay, so monkeys and corn dogs are not very clued up, except Bella, because now she actually sees what's inside. It's tasty. Is it tasty, my baby? Och, dit is darem maar die lekkerste, nee. Ja, het is darem maar die lekkerste. Is it? Oh, mommy. Annie, try it, my baby. Come. Okay. So the only clued up one is Bella, but I think that's because I actually opened it. Okay, now Annie is eating it. So hopefully he'll see that there's a little chicken worsie. Worsie is sausage in the middle. But if there's one monkey that I definitely know that figured it out, and that would be Chaka. Whoops, and there it goes. So Lily is enjoying it, Chloe is enjoying it, Chaka is enjoying it. Like I said, she makes the best corn dogs ever. I don't know what is her special ingredient. I know there is one, but I'll get it somehow. Lexi having some fun in the sun, but she keeps on hiding underneath all the blankets. She is used to the dogs because when the dogs are close, she plays with their noses, if I can say it like that. But today she's just being silly. Monkeys just playing around, eating as normal. I gave them some peanut butter scoops, and yes, now they are just chilling. It's not usually this quiet. I usually have music in the background, and yeah, for copyright reasons I don't actually put that in, so it always sounds quiet, but it isn't really. Little Lexi. I like to give them names that rhyme. So I usually call her Sexy Lexi. Hey gorgeous. Who's a silly girl? You like the sun? You like the sun? And you like the phone? Ooh, another phone grabber. See, is playing hide and go seek with the dogs. Now you see me, now you don't. Okay guys, so I've got the 2 corn dogs. I removed the sticks. I showed it to the tigers. They smelled it. Diego actually took it from me, but spit it out. So no, they don't like corn dogs. Let's rather stick with the monkeys and their corn dogs, and the tigers can have their chicken and red meat. It was just a try. Well guys, that's it for me for today. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.